Hey everybody, I'm Claiborne Warner.
And I'm Lavina's Harry.
And we're here today to talk about something serious, and it's COVID vaccines. First, let me say, you might notice that Lavina's and I are standing together to do this video for you guys. It's because we've both been vaccinated.
I'm vaccinated.
And I'm vaccinated, and that allows us to interact with each other. You know what we want more than ever right now? When we hope that we're coming out of this pandemic, and that is for all of us to be together. And the only way we can do that and get back to normal is to be vaccinated. I don't know if you guys follow the news, but we are looking at right now this Delta variant, and it's the most contagious yet. We've all got to look at the facts. There's so much misinformation out there. I want to encourage everybody to go to the respected sources like the CDC or the State Health Department to get the facts about this. There's a lot of misinformation on social media. But the facts are that people who are vaccinated are very unlikely to get COVID. It is very unlikely that you would. It happens, but it's rare. People who are vaccinated can get together with other people who are vaccinated. It's so important. And the latest data shows that with this Delta variant, the primary age group that is coming down with this are those in the 20 to 30 year age group, followed by the 30 to 40 year olds. So it's really affecting those younger populations more than others. One of the things they're calling this is the pandemic of the unvaccinated. So the pandemic is kind of over for us in a lot of ways, for you and me.
You and I.
Yeah. But it's the pandemic of the unvaccinated. Of the deaths from COVID right now, over 99% are unvaccinated. This shows you how well this virus works. I want to tell you that it is safe. It is safe. The Pfizer and the Moderna vaccines are safe. We don't want, think about it this way. We want to be able to be together. We also want to keep ourselves safe. We want to keep our friends and our family and our coworkers safe. We want to keep our kids safe. And the only way we can guarantee that is if we're all vaccinated. When vaccines first came out, I got vaccinated immediately.
I did too.
Yeah, and I did that, and all my family did, because we felt like we really needed to make sure that we were doing everything possible to keep everybody from coming down with it.
I'm vaccinated because, one, I love to play sports and I love to be around people, and I love to go to the gym. So that was one of the main reasons I'm vaccinated. Plus, I have family, and I don't want to carry and give it to someone who has a pre-existing issue. So that is one of the main reasons I got vaccinated, because I have a brother that I take care of, and he has pre-existing issues as well. So it's very important for us to get vaccinated.
So it's really simple. If you want to protect yourself and your loved ones, get vaccinated. If you want to help stop new variants of COVID, the only way we're going to do that, as not only as VHBG, Virginia, the world, is to get vaccinated. And if you want to get back to doing what you love without a mask, let's all get vaccinated.
Yes.
We just have to remember we have to remain vigilant with our protocols, because the pandemic is not over yet, and the numbers are going up all around us.
Yeah. And our protocols today is stay at home if you're sick. If you're not feeling well, just call your boss and your supervisor, and please stay at home. Get tested if you have COVID symptoms, and this means a PCR test. Not just a rapid test. Report directly to Daryl, and he knows how to handle all of the other protocols following your report to him.
And the tests are free. You don't have to pay for the test. We will pay for the test.
Yes. And you need your ID when you go as well. Wear a mask at all times if you're not vaccinated. If you are vaccinated, wear a mask around the youth. That is so important, because some of them, we have not gotten vaccinated yet because their guardians have not yet approved it, but please wear a mask around the youth. Continue to wash those hands. I know we forget sometimes because we're in a hurry, just want to go to A to B. However, washing hands is also super imperative. And continue to sanitize your hands as well. I'm sorry, that was soap. Sanitize your hands as far after you wash them. Daily health screens are important. That is why we do not come to the home unless we've seen Sherry first between the hours of 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. If you come after that, you must send her your health screen to have the contact tracing and the date and times. She also can ask you, are you having any symptoms? And you can tell her and she can just send you right home. Last, reclaim your health and get vaccinated. It's so important. You'll feel better that you know you've taken necessary precaution to make sure you're safe and others around you. Like, I'm happy to be here with Claiborne because I know I'm vaccinated and she's safe and she has a family to go home to. I have a cat. So that is why it's so important. So it's so easy to get vaccinated and it's free. Take precautions seriously and reclaim your health and get vaccinated.
And if you have any questions about where to get a vaccination, they're everywhere, but Daryl's done all the research and he can help guide you. Just one final note, we talk about the pandemic not being over. It still isn't over. In Virginia, particularly with this Delta variant, the number of cases reported yesterday in Virginia were double what were reported the day before. So the numbers are going back up. So just please, please, please.
For the unvaccinated, right?
Yep.
It's like lint in the back of your pocket. It is there, just waiting.
Yes. So
Okay.
thank you for everything. Thank you for considering. If you're not vaccinated yet, please consider getting a vaccination.
Thank you.
Thanks.
See ya.